Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how, with help of GoCardless integration and Acumatica, you can charge your customers through direct debit or instant bank pay or SEPA or ACH debit. How this may look like. So first of all, you will need to have our integration with GoCardless. And then you will be able to charge your customers. Let me show you workflow, how it looks like when you have everything set up. So in this case, let's say you want to charge your customer, Alt-Ace, and you want to charge them for hotels and lodging. You will need to charge them for 10 days for $100. Yeah, and you can see total is 100. Next step would be to mention that payment method should not be check, but GoCardless. And when you select the GoCardless, for this specific customer, because you already have entered them in our system, it shows account number, cash account, and then let me save this guy. And before I continue, let me refresh the GoCardless itself. I will need to sign in, and I will see last transactions which happen here. So here we have 1000. We change payment method to GoCardless. Next step will be what? Release. Next step will be pay. And let me save it. Next step will be capture. And before we will go to capture, and take note that we have automatic conversion from $1,000 to 780.49 pounds. Why? Because for this specific customer we have configuration of charging them through direct debit in pounds. So now I click on capture, a bit of patience, and here we go. Let me refresh this screen, and as you can see, here we have pending submission. And I'm not going to describe much about what pending submission means, but basically this is nice and easy way how you can charge your customer through direct debit if you have our integration. Let me show you one more functionality which we provide in Acumatica with GoCardless integration. So let me show you what we have here. So we have GoCardless customer ID, and what I want to highlight here, we have subscription, and status of the subscription is cancelled. But basically, if you provide some services to your end customers, you may quickly and easily edit subscription, pause subscription, resume subscription, and cancel subscription. So in case if you need to fine-tune recurring revenue and you have direct debit details, or let's say your customer enters direct debit details, then you may have subscription management inside of your Acumatica. Now let me demonstrate to you how can you create subscription and how this looks like. So we have what GoCardless names mandate, and we have options cancel mandate. It means you no longer want to charge your customer, and create subscription. So you click on create subscription, and then here you can give some name to your subscription, like let's say hotel. You can mention in which currency you want to charge your customer. You can point amount, for example 340. You can select non-stock item, and it can be also stock item, but for the sake of demo purposes, I'm just showing non-stock items. And you can select how often you want to charge your customer. We have options: weekly, monthly, yearly. Let's say weekly. And when do you want to collect payments? Take payments as soon as possible. Take payments from specific day. And then how long do you want to take these payments? Until further notice or for specific number of payments. And if you want to have specific number of payments, you type 12, for example, click on OK. And yeah, here we have error message, validation failed, must be GBP for a Bacs mandate. Because I selected wrong currency, I have friendly message which says select GBP. So let's say again backup, currency I'm selecting GBP because customer entered, then 10, take payments from specific date, for example 6, until for specific number of payments, I expect 12 payments. I click on OK, operation has completed. And now this customer, Bank of America, will be charged on mentioned date. Isn't it cool? And then final portion which I want to demonstrate to you is how your customers are set up in order to make direct debits. So you click on plus, you select your customer. For example, this one cartridge, you click on select, and you click on the button create billing request flow. A bit of patience, boom, you have customer created, you will have customer ID, then you need to provide to your customer this authorization URL, and then your customer opens this URL, and let's assume that you want to charge your customer. Let's say we want to charge him in British pounds, and let's imagine that the customer is located in United Kingdom. Let me find this guy. United Kingdom, and as you can see here we have pre-filled information about the customer, contact email, address, continue, and here here we have validation of address. Let me get back to Germany. Yep, click on continue, and here we need to enter sort code and account number. Let me enter that. So sort code will be this one, and account number will be this one. Continue, boom, and then your customer, he enters this information, he clicks on set up direct debit, and then basically it means that that GoCardless will be able to take money from cartridgevault.com and send to your company. Easy as pie. To sum up, in case if you know anybody who needs to have Bacs Direct Debit, Instant Bank Pay, SEPA Direct Debit, ACH, and somebody who may need to have streamlined payments and subscriptions, as you can see our integration supports, then you can drop a line at info@AcuPower.com with subject GoCardless, and my team will be happy to make a demo for you. Thanks, and wishing you a good day.